I'm gonna count my bear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with one.
Hi.
And this is my profile. Ay! 60 seconds.
I say hi to my vlog too. Kasi I'm gonna post it in my YouTube as well.
Hello, I got my bears. I'm gonna count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And with Owana.
With Owana? Me?
Yes, you're Owana, right?
Moana? Moana?
And with Nuna. And
Okay.
this is my, and Owana is a vlogger too. And this is my cell phone. So let's find it.
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna get a cell phone handler.
Oh, saan ka pa?
May
Siya may
handle ka?
handler siya. Oh, saan ka
Meron siya?
pa? Hindi yung black.
Okay. So, hi everyone. Welcome to my show. Hindi, actually, mag-vlog lang kami kasi bumili ako sa Shopee na itong mga parang keychain, bear keychain. Tapos parang well paint. So, since bakasyon ni Kian, we were thinking na perhaps we can do something to keep him entertained instead of him being on his mobile phone. I have a phone stand. Nasa room sa taas. Do you wanna get it?
No.
That's better kasi you won't need to hold it eh. Promise.
But
Oh, you get it na.
No.
Okay, sige. So, I guess we're good to start. Grabe yung breakouts natin dito, Suzy. But, okay. Let's take a photo muna before we start. Okay.
Paano to bababa?
See, exactly. Kaya nga sabi sa'yo, you get my, my phone holder sa taas.
Eh,
Oh,
yoko.
I'll get it.
You say hi to the vlog.
Hi. You are my vlogger.
You're my vlogger.
I know something on you. I do the wrong thing. Wait, I have to show you something. Wait, I'm doing the wrong thing. Can you see it? Is it now ready?
Okay, it's ready na. It's already recording na from my end. So, yeah. We'll have a record that you're setting that up. Okay. Aka na. Okay. What do you need to do? You need to have the camera facing you. Ganon?
I want to paint. So what we're gonna use? Water.
Ay,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ayan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hey, what are we gonna do na? So,
We're gonna paint. Hey, that's my video.
is it done or are you gonna take one more? Kasi mag-e-end na siya, oh.
So this is my video and it's starting to get end. So watch to the another video. So I'm gonna paint this and watch the other video. So goodbye.
You should also look at the part 2 of this video.
Hello, and I will paint the bear and it's starting to get end. So the video is getting to end, but I make it in 60 seconds. Now it's starting to end, and goodbye.
Oh, you send it na. Okay, you can post it on your reels na. Pero we can start painting na, Bob.
Wait, I'm gonna put some bears. I Add
Wala.
details. I add details. There we go. I'm gonna place a bear. A bear.
I'm gonna unbox it na ha. Do you need a video of the unboxing ba? No need.
I don't know. Is there a bear in here?
Yeah.
Sure.
Sure. So how
Where is it?
are we gonna use ano kaya dito?
There's
I think
there
kailangan ng
is a
water.
bear. I'm gonna
Ayun yung
bear.
content. Ayan.
I'm gonna add some.
Sorry.
Yun yung content. Ito.
There we go.
Or plastic
Polar bear,
lang siya.
panda, at bear.
Yung paintbrush na and then
Saan yan?
may kutsara na parang pang ice cream. And then this is the paint. Ay, hindi. Hindi. I don't think so. Mga malabnaw naman siya. So, yeah, I think we can go with this.
Okay, I'm done to my video.
So,
Well, looks like this is the part 2, but this is not the part 2.
You're
But-
gonna take another video?
It's not my video, it's Tinang's video.
but it's fine. You can take over the vlog. It's not naman solely for me. Uy, we're gonna ano
Wait,
na.
wait. Oh, okay. Wait.
Are you gonna record something again?
No. So,
Are you done na? Can we start painting na?
okay, this is the part 2. Sorry, I didn't add the part 1, but this is now the part 2. So, let's paint. I'm gonna put this onto the cell phone handle. I'm sorry again. Hello guys, I'm gonna paint it now, and this is part 2. But wait, I gotta put my phone onto the phone handle. This is how you can see my video, what I'm doing.
Okay.
You can take a video after you paint the
Okay.
bear.
So it's getting fine. So I'm gonna paint it now.
We'll take a video na lang later para maayos yung kuha. Okay? I'll set it up.
Okay.
Para upload mo siya
Ah,
separate.
teka lang, paulitin ko lang.
Sige.
My Owana said I'm gonna upload this video. So, what's the part 3?
Yeah.
Diba?
Iba ka lang kulay.
Why are you calling me Owana?
What's your name when you're a YouTuber?
My name is, Ona. Ona lang. Ona. Ona.
Wait, I'm gonna add details too.
Details.
Random colors by the way siya. Kasi meron green, pink, and orange. And then meron kami nakuhang red, yellow, and blue. I think we can mix colors, no?
I think, but we need a bowel.
A bowel? Wait, sige. Let's look for like yung alalagyan where we can mix things.
Wait, I'm gonna add details.
We are with AJ. AJ, sige na. Pakita ka lang. Like, ganun lang.
Pag nakita niyo yung kuko ko, yun na yun.
Okay, let's arrange it. Very limited colors. I bought 5
halo.
Teka lang Kuha tayo ng like lalagyan para panghalo. Wait lang. I bought it sa Shopee for buti nga dumating siya agad ngayon. Kasi parang may activity kami. Kasi we are trying to have him avoid really.
I didn't add. Oh,
Oh, yung set costs
you see
13
a
pesos.
colorful,
This is 13 pesos. Diba?
colorful hearts. That is part 2. But if you see a polar bear and a panda and a bear, That is part 1, but I'm gonna make the part 3.
Let me think, can I just take a photo lang of this one?
So you can take a photo.
I'm gonna take a photo of this one now. Excuse me, can you please like kiss your face? Thank you. Another one.
Okay, this is my...
Ang baliktad kong there. This is so cute. I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Yes. But what I said yes. Tinan said, well, I'm excited. So I said yes. So let's paint it. So what's your favorite color? I'm gonna paint it red, yellow, blue, green, orange. What about the color pink? There's only 5 of these, not 6. Then what are we gonna do to them?
What? What's your question?
Because what about Luna's nails? We have colors. So I have only this one. How should we gonna paint?
Are you okay for us to
Wait,
start?
I have an idea. I'm gonna paint color pink. It's cardigan.
Oh, sige, wait lang. I'm gonna get something lang. Where we can probably mix the colors.
You can go vlog takeover siya.
What?
Vlog takeover.
Wait.
I'm gonna say hi to Tinang's vlog.
I mean, it's already open.
Yeah.
They can hear you.
Yeah. So you have to say hi to the vlog. Because you're the one in the video vlog. You're the one in the video.
Okay.
Tell them what you're doing.
What?
Tell them what you're doing.
I'm vlogging to my bears. But when I was a grade 2, meron din si Lebron ng eto.
Who's Lebron?
Yung boses ni Mama. Medyo
It
maingay
already
lang right
ended.
now kasi
Sorry,
malapit kami sa daan.
I gotta try it again.
Again?
This
It's
is,
just parchment paper na lang.
I have this.
You
Oh,
can mix.
look at this.
This is-
Okay,
that's
so
a parchment
this is
paper.
the bear. I'm gonna paint it the whole body. Oh
Double
no,
personality.
but Luna have color onto his her nails, and even I got 5 bears. Did I tell you? But you gotta watch this. It is 5. It's 2. So send Oana's video, and even, but this is Ezekiel Tiandre and the Tillis. So I'm from YouTube. And Tinang's from YouTube.
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel as well.
What about TikToker?
I have TikTok too.
Wow! But I have no TikTok.
Okay, are you done? Are you done with this? Can we post it na? Kasi
Sure.
we're gonna have
Oh, it's going to end.
Okay, it's ending. Okay, post mo na tapos magre-record tayo
Wait.
separately. Para
I'm gonna add
ma-record
a
yung
detail.
pagpipin.
I'm gonna add it.
You know, add the details.
Okay, ang init sa earth. My God.
Part 3.
Part 3?
Yes.
Okay.
Green. Teka.
Wait. My real name is Kian.
Okay, can I record na? Okay na?
Wait.
Nag-set up pa siya, guys. He also has his own YouTube channel kasi. So, he's posting on his reels.
Okay.
For all of these are quite informal stuff lang that we do. So, yan. Buti talaga dumating siya. Tapos may activity tayo for today. So, syempre, parang as much as possible, let's keep the kids out of the phones.
No, I'm already.
Are you done? Can we, like, start na?
But I wanna video it. But
Yeah, I'll fix your setup nga para you can video. Oh.
What about the picture?
Ayun na, in-upload na.
What about
Magpipicture ka
this one?
ba?
Parang like this.
Parang like this.
Gagamit ko to para mas ma-full pa yung video.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
How can you send this onto your YouTube?
I'll post it on my YouTube.
But can you post it to my YouTube?
As well? I'll try. Sige, I'll give you this. I'll send your parents the video link para you can post it in your YouTube channel.
Can you post this to my YouTube channel?
Yeah, we'll post it in your YouTube channel as well.
Yay.
Okay, so let's set up na. Here is your. I want the gray one. So, I'll get the
Okay,
gray one.
wait. I'm ready.
Wait, ako na nga. I-set up ko muna. Wait, ako na muna. Okay? I'll set up, okay? I promise I will do the setup. This is where you will paint. Para it won't
But I
get
want to paint it.
Yeah, and then, just in case you would like to
But you're gonna copy me. Can you copy me?
Anong copy you?
You're gonna copy my paint.
I'm gonna copy your paint?
Yes.
Whatever you're gonna paint? I'm quite
Yes.
unsure if I want to.
Please,
Ayan.
please,
Okay.
can you?
Okay. Oh, wait lang. So, AJ, can you check na if, ayan, set up natin. Nakakita na ba? Angat natin.
Naka-zoom ng super.
What about
duper naman.
like
Wait lang, hayaan mo si
What
Nuna.
about like
Hayaan mo
No,
si
no, no, no.
Nuna.
Sige, baba.
Kasi nga, kailangan niyang ayusin. Okay? She's gonna fix it.
Ba't naka-zoom?
Kasi, Aka na. Ako na muna. Wait lang!
Let me help that. Ako na nga.
Mina.
Haba.
Okay. It's okay.
Nag-vlog niya yung araw.
Oh, ayan. Oh, ayan. Wait lang ah. We'll set it up.
You're gonna set it. At ako na lang mag-aayos.
Ayan.
Okay, you answer. So, let's first the color pink.
Yun na yata talaga yun, Jay.
Guys,
Hindi siya natatayo kasi. Ayusin na lang natin.
wait lang,
I
Kiandre.
think this is pink, red, orange, yellow, green, blue.
Ito ka na lang sa gilid ko, AJ.
Hindi, okay lang.
So, you're gonna copy my paint. So, let's start.
The paint is for sharing, ha?
Ayun.
What about in here? We have 3. I'm gonna paint this.
Okay.
It's gonna look
Let's start
super
na.
fun.
Okay. We can start painting na. Nag-start na pala siya.
Parang hindi naman nag-ayos.
Okay, let's start painting and let's hope that we will be able to make something nice out of this.
How we can dry it?
I'm gonna wait.
We're gonna wait. You have to wait. You have to be very, very patient and waiting.
But how many
Hirap na ibukas.
seconds?
Ayan. Probably it's gonna be minutes. Minutes long.
This is color yellow. This is pink. This is red. This is orange. This is yellow. This is yellow. This is
Huh?
green. This is
Hindi
blue.
mabuksan.
Haba ng kuko ko.
Yup.
Ha?
This is pink. This is red. This is yellow. This I mean, this is pink, this is red, this is
Share nga muna tayo,
orange,
Jay.
this
Dito na
is
lang.
yellow, this is green, this is blue.
Yeah, you can do whatever you wanna do.
But
Let's get yung parang water pang cleanness nito. Wait lang, I'm gonna get something. Let's share na lang muna yung mga color.
sana nag-join si Tita Maymay.
Kita mo, may still do something here. Nasa school pa yata si Tita May. She went out.
Now, let me wait for Nina.
Yeah, you wait till you have ready. So you can wash the plate.
Oh, there's Marmila.
Yeah.
So you think I am a YouTuber? Yes, I do. I am a YouTuber.
So if you wanna change colors, you clean your paintbrush here. Okay?
But how?
Yeah, just dip it like that. Tapos, to dry it, dito mo lagay. Okay? Yan, ganyan-ganyan mo siya dito para mag-dry siya.
Eh, paano? Makakakaroon to basa?
So, kaya sa one gilid mo lang siya lalagay. Okay? So, we're gonna share paints with each other na lang muna
Like this.
para we won't be wasting paints. Okay? Okay? Is that understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you put color red over here?
Sure, of course. Sige. Just put it wherever. Basta Nuna and I will share with you, ha?
You're gonna copy this. Okay?
I'm not gonna copy that. I'm gonna paint something
also gonna
different.
Aw, but I want
Let's be, artistic, Bob, and paint something differently for each other. Okay?
Okay.
Fairness naman, kung dumidikit naman yung paint, no? Ang hirap lang niyang gawin. As a non-artistic person. Hindi ko alam parang siya magmumukhang cute. Magmumukha na siyang abstract pag ako yung gumawa. Ah! Oh my God. This is making me panic. But this is fun, though. I like it.
Me too.
Are you having fun?
Yes.
Okay, as long as you're happy, Bob. Ay, wait.
And ikaw maglalaba ka.
Ba't ako maglalaba?
That's your idea, right?
Yeah, it is my idea. Pero bakit nasama yung paglalaba dito?
Then one is not. Now I'm gonna choose color orange. Oh, it's not clean yet. Is it?
Ang gandang gawing base ng orange. Gagawin ko ang base yung orange.
I'm gonna try. Oh, I forget.
Parang gandang gawing base. So, okay, gagawin kong base yung orange and then I'll just paint it whatever later. But orange seems to be a cute base color. For this. Para may pop ng kulay. Ganda! Ganda! Love it! Okay. So, the whole video is about us just painting this stuff. Yan lang naman yan. Because the main point of me having this vlog lang naman talaga is, again, for documentation purposes about what's happening with my life in general. So, ngayon, ito yung bonding namin ng pamangkin ko. Kasi nga, tinatry namin siyang i-avoid using phones and stuff. So, kaya tinatry namin i-diversify yung mga activities that we have here at home. Last week, may binili akong laruan sa Flying Tiger na basta toy siya na masaya siya. Kahit kami matatanda, masaya sa toy na yun. Medyo physical yung toy na gawin. Na laruin. But it's fun nga eh. Kasi, at least, nakagalaw-galaw. Hindi sila nakaupo lang, ganyan. Tsaka, it's something that you can share with Siopaw. Kasi nga, laruan siyang ball. Okay.
Parang hindi maayos.
Teka nga, ayusin ko, ayan. Para, kita naman si Kian.
What
Oh,
about
you're doing
Nuna?
different colors. Nuna doesn't want to be included in the video, but she's here. She's here with us, diba? Ayan no, Nuna is there. She just doesn't wanna be in the video because she's too shy. Do you think Nuna is shy?
I think you're from the inside out too. From the pink one.
There's no pink one. Ah, you mean embarrassment?
Yes, I think you're shy.
No.
But why you're acting like that?
What?
Like she's shy? Why is she acting like she's shy when she's not shy, you mean?
I'm not sure
Yes.
about
Nuna is not super shy. Super shy. She's not like that. She just doesn't want to be included in the vlog. That's why she's there on the side. This is fun. I like doing this. May malaki kaya nito. Try ko nga. Hanap ako.
Ano nga, bear brick?
Mga siyang bear brick eh, no? Fairness. Ang saya niyang gawin. Fun lang, no?
Yes.
You like it? You like things like this? Painting and stuff.
Yes.
Up until when are you in vacation, Kian? Ha? Kiandre?
Yes.
Until when ka nakabakasyon?
He's gonna ask what's bakasyon.
Ay, sinagot na natin yesterday, di ba? What's vacation?
Until when daw? Probably.
Until when are you in vacation? Kian? Kiandre,
What?
I'm asking you, up until when are you in vacation?
Because my school is end.
Yeah, I know that your school has ended. Ang tinatanong ko, kailan hanggang till when are you in vacation nga? Like, when are you going back to school? Okay, that's it. That's the question. When are you going back to school?
I don't know.
Why? You should know that. Aren't you excited to go back to school ba?
Yes.
Yes, you're not excited
What?
to go back to school?
Hey, I wanna go back to school, into my original school, to my old school.
You don't wanna like aral here near us?
No,
Why?
it's too far. I'm gonna be late.
How are you gonna be late? You're living here, tas ayan lang yung eskwelahan.
How can I if I'm malolos?
Ah, you mean if you're gonna study in... I mean, if you're gonna live here, tas you're gonna study in Malolos. That's you mean? That's what you mean?
Yes.
Oh, what's the issue there? Oh, right. You don't wanna live here?
No, because I miss my friends.
Okay. Eh kami, hindi mo kami mamimiss.
Namimiss ko naman. But naroon.
But not as much as your friends. You love your friends more than us?
Of course.
Of course! You love your friends more than your family? More?
Sorry, Baba.
So you love your friends more than Siopaw?
But my friends love my baby brother.
Nakita na ba nila si Shops?
Yes.
When and where? And how?
In 2023.
Last year?
Yes.
How?
Pero si Teacher Z, may baby niya pala siya.
Sino? Sino?
Si Teacher Z.
Sino
And
siya?
hindi ko na yung parang principal, yung dinatawagin natin is a girl. getting...
Yan. I'm done with my orange. So cute, oh. Papatungan ko na lang siya later. I'll put more paint later. This is mine. Let this dry first. I'll dry this first. Are you using orange ba? Are you using this? Red. Sisipot tuloy ako. Yan. So, papatuyin ko muna siya, tapos saka papatungan ng other colors. Keep it dry. Patuyuin natin. Ano, electric fan. Are you enjoying?
Yes. But not.
I'm happy that you're having fun. Super cute. See, while I'm drying this one, I'm gonna paint the other one. Huwag mo na siya nilagyan. I'm gonna paint the other one pink naman. Make it pink. Sobrang babae naman itong pink na to. Like,
Barbie nga daw.
Barbie pink.
Now I'm gonna dry this first.
Okay, dry that first.
And the head is gonna be color blue. And the ears are color anything. I wanna mix them.
And then you can put that in your bag.
Why?
That's a para siyang keychain eh. You know what a keychain is?
How we're gonna dry this?
We're just gonna put it near the electric fan lang. And then it's gonna dry na.
How can I have red one?
I think you're painting your own nails. Okay.
Nails? Kakulay ng nails ni Luna.
Painting my nails.
Painting
Medyo
is
malabnaw yung
for-
pink.
Paint is fun. I love painting.
You love painting?
But I wanna be a chef. But I can paint, but I can do anything.
Ano na? You can paint and you wanna be a chef then?
Yes.
Why do you wanna be a chef? What do you cook?
What about if my boss is gonna say, did you want to go to paint, but it's a restaurant for food? I'll say yes, but I will paint it. But if it's hard, I'm not gonna do it.
Sorry, naguluhan ako, baby. Gusto mo maging chef? Gusto mo maging painter? Ano talaga? What do you wanna be? You can only choose one though.
A painter.
You wanna be a painter or
It kind of looks like a coffee.
Yeah, because all the colors have mixed na eh.
This is how we mix. How should I dry it? Is it now dry
Not yet.
to the bottom?
I think yeah, relatively. I think pwede na. Just give it a couple of minutes lang.
Dinalaktag mo pa at hindi naman nakakatanggal
Alin?
yung paint sa ilalim.
Tatanggal. Nababawasan siya. Malabnaw eh, so I think you need to paint it again na lang later.
Okay.
Oo, nakakulay ng kuko ko.
Alin? Parang sobrang labnaw nitong pink. Hindi siya masyadong kumakapit dito sa white. I don't know, dahil nalabnawan na kasi nang naglilinis si Kian kanina.
Yan, ganyan. Yan.
Why?
Yan, no? So parang may patches lang siya. But I think, we can work on the patches. Kaya may ibang color.
Is it now end?
Not yet.
No, it's
Ay,
not
the photo. I'm sorry, I thought it was.
That's what you can upload in your YouTube. The exclusive painting of Kian. Do you wanna paint the other bear brick then? Ha? O just one lang sa'yo?
Which one?
Just one lang. Okay. I'll paint the other one then. Or you wanna paint, PJ?
No.
Just one ka lang then. Sige, I'll paint the
Ito
other.
lang kaya ng patience ko ngayon.
Okay. I'll paint 3. Kala mo painter? 3 yung ginawa. Attitude.
There it is. Now it's complete.
Kian, dapat may credits ako dito.
Oh no. My
Yeah.
paint is getting ruined.
Your paint is getting ruined. Kasi masyado mong binabasa. Huwag mo masyadong basain. Pagkatapos niyan, di ba, you put it, yan, para ma-remove mo yung water dun sa, paintbrush. Kasi, if the paint gets too much water, ayan, no, hindi siya masyadong kakapit dito. I'm gonna dry this now.
Oh no.
Let's dry this. Sinasabit ko lang siya dito sa gilid ng silyang upuan. And then, I'll paint the other one.
Now it's the color pink is getting
I
ruined.
like it green. I like it green.
Yeah, because you mixed it with the other colors.
Use green as a base. Ayan, pag medyo natutuyo na siya. Ang ganda ng kulay na. Pag medyo natutuyo.
Ay,
I mean, what can you expect? I only paid like 13 pesos for this. Diba? Not bad na for an activity. Like 13
Use
pesos.
your bear on the parchment. Dapat.
Diba? Parang you get a lot of activities for like 13 pesos only. This is 13 pesos per pack. So, 13 pesos siya per pack. For one, you get one, ito, parang bear na nakasabit na dito. Tapos pwede na siya, parang one afternoon activity mo. Kasi if try nyo pa eh. But at least like you get to have.
I want to make it into a mixing color. I want to mix blue, red, yellow, and blue.
Or you use this one. You put it on the parchment, ha? Don't put
You
it
mean
on
like
the-
this?
Yeah.
Parang yung iba, yung nauuso ngayon is that you pour over, no? You parang pour over bear bricks. I think this is a cheaper version plus it's not ceramic. So it's just plastic. But you get
No.
you get the same. I mean, you paint it to your liking. I think it kinda works the same naman. Ano yung tumutunog?
Hmm.
Yan.
Mhm.
Grabe, more than 1 hour long tong video na to. Feeling ko wala namang manonood, but whatever. Para lang may memory si Kian na nag-paint siya. That's the only purpose of this.
How can I mix this? You mean like this?
Hmm?
But how can I put it?
To pour it.
Pour it.
Use this one to get the color.
How should I clean this? Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Let me clean this first and I will take off it. How should I take it off?
Alin ang how should you take off what?
This one.
Ay, continuous mo lang siyang i-ano.
Oh no.
Hey! Oh no! It's okay. It's still good.
So, it's okay to get your hands dirty naman. We'll wash our hands after naman eh. So, it's fine. Get dirty. That's the purpose of painting eh. You get your hands
All
dirty.
your hands, it's getting dirty too. Okay.
Yeah, and it's fine.
But what happens if...
We'll wash our hands after naman eh. So, don't have anything to worry about getting your hands dirty. It's fine. Okay?
Okay.
It's good that you get your hands dirty kasi that means you're enjoying what you're doing. Understand?
Understand. I understand.
Okay. Good. Basta you're enjoying that's the sole purpose of this activity, that you enjoy. Okay?
Okay.
Are you enjoying? Are you having fun?
Yes.
Okay. Happy to hear about that. You have to keep the kids entertained nowadays. You really need to prepare like really interactive activities to get them out of the phones. Kasi if not, magbabad sa phone yung mga bata na yan. Ay, nako.
Now it's getting new. Now this is a new color.
What color is that?
Dark green.
You mixed colors?
Red, yellow, and blue.
Okay.
There we go.
I'll let this dry lang.
So where I'm gonna put this? Over here.
You're coloring it differently. Grabe, isang oras natin from setup up until paggawa nito, isang oras. Pero 30 minutes nag-setup lang si Kian ng pang-vlog niya. But at least, if we get to enjoy this activity, we'll do this again. You wanna do this again?
Sure.
Sure. Okay, sige. You wanna paint again next week? But next week, we're gonna watch Inside Out na. We're not gonna paint. Kasi Inside Out is showing on the 12th.
But Inside Out is for June 10.
June 12.
June 12?
Yeah.
But what is the day?
June 12 is Wednesday. And all your ninangs have
But
work.
what is the day?
Today is already 9.
January,
June.
June, June.
June 9.
June.
Today is June 9. June 9. Ah!
Open yung blue.
Open ko to.
Thank you. This is color blue.
Yeah, but you're using it now.
What about purple?
How do
For you to, how are you gonna get purple? Sige nga.
I already know.
What do you need to mix? You wanna get purple. I also wanna get purple later.
You need red.
Sorry ba?
Let's try it if it works. Turning color purple.
This is a little bit dry. Cute nga pag na-dry out.
Wait, this kinda not look like purple. Wait, it kinda looks like a little bit of purple.
Akala ko magiging powder din siya.
I want to add
Ay,
some.
kulay ni RJ. Pagkakulay sila. So this is RJ. We got this sa Miniso. Pero almost same colors. Cute. I like it. I'm super...
Can you open the color red?
Ayan. I already opened it.
Let me try this.
Sorry, may nasa labas kami so may mga doggos around. Hindi naman sila aso. Aso sila ng kapitbahay na. This is so cute.
Kapitbahay natin. What is a kapitbahay? Neighbor?
Yes,
Correct. That's a neighbor. Neighbor. Okay. I'll paint this differently.
Now I'm gonna paint
Parang gusto ko din i-ano.
red.
So, kasi Harley Quinn kasi ako.
Harley. Ano yung kulay ni Harley Quinn ba?
Blue, red. Actually, it's black.
Is it end?
Yet.
So, I'm gonna paint this with, I think I like green. Uy, grabe naman. Huwag yun naman ubusin. Like yellow.
Ipikit na naman ako.
It kind of looks the same. Is it purple? I'm gonna add a little bit of red.
Ayan lang. Pag nagde-dry, pag pinatungan mo siya ng other color, medyo nabubura niya yung sa ilalim.
Feeling ko washable kasi.
Yung paint.
Yung there mismo.
So, pwede siyang palitan ng color moving forward. Diba? Hindi talaga ako artist. Ano to? Anong peg ko dito? Pero whatever. Sige. Let's try to be artistic na lang.
It's my own line of video. But it's the same. over Is it here. purple? I'm gonna add a little bit of red. There we go. Now it's was already done.
Ayun lang, pag nag-dry, pag pinatungan mo siya ng other color, medyo nabubura niya yung ano, sa ilalim. Yung paint. So, pwede siyang palitan ng color. Diba? Hindi talaga ako artist. Ano to? Anong peg ko dito? Pero whatever. Sige. Let's try to be artistic na lang.
It kind of looks the same. Is it purple?
Yung ko washable siya.
Na tatanggal, no? But what can you expect? This is only for like 13 pesos. Manage na natin expectations natin, guys, kapag mura lang yung nabibili natin. It's not long lasting. But whatever. At least it's an activity that you can do. Hindi kung washable siya, mas maganda. Kasi you can reuse the bear. Diba? And then paint it with another color. Mas sustainable ba yun? I think so. So, ayun. With a yellow nose. Hehe, cute. It's a yellow nose. And ano siya, very ano yung theme nito. Paano ba? Actually, do not know kung anong peg ko dito sa ano na to.
Tinang,
Po.
how to make color brown?
I think you need to mix all of the colors.
Did we make it dark green, right?
For brown,
I think we need orange. Can you open the orange, please?
this is, wait lang, baby.
Because I'm gonna make brown.
Brown.
I think it's orange plus reddish yellow. No.
Orange and blue.
I want to borrow this one.
Orange and blue.
It kinda looks like it's getting color brown. I'm gonna use this anyways.
But that's the water, Bob. You can paint it with. You can paint it. It's gonna erase the paint that you're doing.
I need wipes.
Wet wipes?
Para matanggal yan.
Ang alin? Later na! Later na. Kiandre, later na.
Nasa loob niya siya.
Ay. Kulit ni Gia. Oo nga pala, hindi pa nga pala kumakain yun. Keandre, di ka pa gutom? Di ka pa gutom?
Hindi pa.
Po? Hindi pa po. Okay po. Mukha siyang cheese whiz. But this is cute though. Diba?
Yes.
See? Kahit hindi ko alam kung anong peg ko dito, but I think it's cute. Papatuyin ko muna siya ulit. Before I put on other colors.
Pero makakabasa din yung color orange.
What? So, send ko daw siya, sabi ni Enan. Send mo kayo on. Sweet lang. Oo, may sinend siya na isa. Wait lang. Grabe, mabubudol na naman ako to get another watch. What are you doing? Why? What's happening to you? What's happened? Are you okay?
Ayusin ko lang yung
Pants mo? Okay.
pants.
Pants. Pants.
I think it's
Sobrang slang
blue
naman.
plus orange.
I'm gonna...
I think.
Okay.
Oh
Still a little
no.
wet. But let's see.
But you can also tangle it.
Ay! Well, oh my Jesus Christ. This is an expensive tissue, Bob. This is feminine wipes. Don't use this. You use the other wipes. Where did you get this?
Mama Gemma.
You get tissue, baby, not wet wipes. You get tissue. Kasi we need to dry this out. Get tissue. Can you please get tissue?
Okay, okay.
Thank you so much. Or you ask tissue from Mamila. Mamila, we have a lot of tissues. I just bought it lang. So, Kian's in the spectrum. Okay. Where's the tissue?
Oh, you get the
Get
green
tissue,
one.
get tissue, get tissue.
The green
dry
tissue.
one.
It's
The green
okay.
No,
Yeah, the green
get
tissue,
the green
Papa.
But it's
tissue,
just.
Okay, sige na nga. Later na lang. Fine.
But what about one?
What about what?
One.
One.
What about one tissue? This is mine.
I think so. You can get whatever. Ay, sorry. This is going to be a freelance shiz because I think it's gonna be a little hard to really repair this. So, ito yung magiging parang hard stuff. I think this is going to be cute though.
Oh, sorry. Sarap kinumin ito. Grabe. Chocolate. Kian, it kind of looks like a Milo.
The Milo that we drank earlier. Cute! Wala siya nababakbak na something. But what else? Let's see. I like how this is panning out. It's a mixture of yellow and pink. Wala siyang burnt something na hindi ko ma-explain.
I think it's coloring blue. Wait, it's not coloring blue. It's coloring... It kind of looks like coloring brown, but what about I'm gonna add a little
This
bit...
looks weird. Mukha siyang naagnas na something, but I like how it's turning out. It's mukha siyang artsy-fartsy than the other one. Okay, so let's try this one. The green one naman. What am I gonna do with the green one though? The green one is already nice as it is, but it felt a little kulang. They put blue.
Oh no! It's dangerous.
Why?
It's gonna explode.
Why naman? Muwi naman. It's gonna explode.
Trust me, it's gonna explode.
Trust you. Trust. Big word.
Trust me, it's gonna explode.
I hope so. I hope not.
Trust me, a YouTuber just try it and it explode.
Exploded? For real?
Yes, just open. But it's gonna explode.
You think so? I don't think so.
It's turning brown. Look, I'm a genie. I'm a genie at all. What about let me just add a little bit of brown.
Ay, kita pala yung kamay ko. Sorry.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Look, it's turning brown.
The brown that you wanted it to be?
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
At least things are turning out the way you wanted it to be. So it means that you're succeeding in whatever that is. Right?
It's colorful.
It's
What about I'm gonna paint it later to the bottom?
Why?
Just let me
You're gonna
dry
add
it.
more paint?
Yes, because I'm gonna dry the bottom first. Because
Oh. Because what?
so para hindi madumihan yung hands ko.
Parang advisable if bibili kayo nito, bili kayo ng madami na. Para like you can share colors na with each other. This is art. Sorry. Lalim na. What's that? Ow.
I want to paint that.
Why? You wanna paint what?
The others.
Sabi mo, hindi ka na magpipaint pa ng others. Kaya pinaint ko na.
But I
Wash mo na lang yung other.
Wanna paint more?
yes.
Oh, wait lang. I'll give you na lang yung pink one ko.
Pink?
Yeah, because I'm painting the orange and the green one kasi. So, I'm gonna give you the pink one. This one.
Getting dry.
You can paint that.
Oh. Let me clean it.
Let me
What?
toilet.
Ano lasa niya? Ano lasa niya nga? Yung beer? Yan, so this is, I think, how I'm planning it to be. Yan. Medyo may patsi-patsi lang talaga siya, no? You really can't, unless you double coat, hindi din siya kaya ng double coating. So, one coat is, I think, enough. Yan siya. So cute! Pinuri yung sarili, pero yan, ganyan siya. This is how I see my bear books.
Kiandre, what are you doing?
What are you doing, Kiandre? Oh, you dry it first. You dry it first. You get the dry tissue. No, get the dry tissue. Ika tissue kay Mamila, tapos sabihin mo pan-dry niya.
What about the pink?
No, you can't. You can't. Just get tissue. Daming rason. Mas wala pa kayong maganda ilagay dito. But I think it's good naman. Ang hirap niya kasing like anuhan no? Cute! Gusto ko siyang lagyan ng kwelyo. Kasi baka mag-fail ako pag lagyan ko siya ng kwelyo. Cute, diba? But the back is just plain lang. Oh my God! Nalagyan siya ng yellow!
Alin?
Bear brick! Nalagyan ng yellow sa gilid. Okay, I'll paint it with yellow na lang. Fine. Make a little yellow lang.
I will take a little bit.
I'll paint it with yellow on the side. Parang ito na lang yung sleeves niya. Bakit may sleeves? Wala nga kwelyo pero may sleeves. Charing.
Oh, shucks. Ito ba yung na?
Then I'll just put dots on the side na lang.
Luna, how to make color black?
Black?
Yes.
Baka you need to mix everything for you to get black.
But we already...
Eh, wag na lang, black. Choose another color na lang.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna mix it. Oh no! Ay, pwede ang get...
Okay lang yung malalaban yan. It's fine.
Baka malagot pa yung mami ko.
Hindi. hindi. It's fine. You're doing an activity so it's fine. You're gonna get dirty naman talaga. Oops.
Sorry.
It's okay. There's a
Ian,
pop-up
can I have the yellow one?
Oh, I thought you can use this. I have yellow. Oh, nagkaroon naman siya ng blue dito sa gilid. Okay lang yan. Konti lang. Thank you, and it's fine. Thank you. This is my finished product.
Because you're mixing that
Like it's simple. Simple plan.
There's no more yellow.
Huh?
There's no more yellow na.
Gusto yung yellow. Finished products na.
Oh.
So every time I touch, it gets swimming.
In this one, I will graduate. Okay. So, it's taking quite some time. We're already down to more than an hour. Hala, may paint na ako sa face. More than an hour here. I think we're good to close the vlog na. You think?
No.
Not
I'm
yet?
not still done.
Okay. Not yet done. So, matatapos tong vlog na to, mga 2 oras. Kasi hindi pa siya tapos. Okay lang. This is your, ano naman eh, this is parang your daily something. Or a reminder that you were doing. Yan. Since tapos naman na ako, pwede ko nang ituto kay Kian yung yan. That's what she's doing. Grabe Sunday yung tugtugan namin.
Hindi niya yung matugtugan.
What are you doing? What are you mixing?
Color black.
You wanna make color black.
But I'm gonna see the comments if how to make, if somebody is smart.
Mm-hmm.
But Avon is smart.
Yeah, everyone is smart.
Smarter than Lexus.
Sino si Lexus?
My classmate. My classmate is my friend. Malapit tayo ng house.
So anyone that's near your house is your friend?
Yes, and that's my neighbor.
Those are your neighbors.
That is my neighbor kid.
Okay. Ayan. Tutok na natin sa iyo yung camera. Hirap namang i-pwesto nito kasi mag-ano siya eh. Mag-tilt siya eh. Hindi nakaganyan.
Almost 1 hour na din ito.
Yes. Almost 1 hour. Masuwag eh. Ay, ayan. Nakakahilo to, sorry. Kabit mo muna dyan. Okay na yan. That's gonna be a cute art.
Is it now dry?
Not yet dry.
Why?
Not yet pa oh. May wet parts pa oh. Later mo na lang lagyan yung feet. Later na. Okay, fine. He doesn't know what later is.
Now what about
What about what?
this one? I'm gonna mix it into color. Yeah.
Ay wow, that's a nice color.
But how? It's color brown?
A little bit darker than brown.
It kinda looks like a phone. Uh-oh.
It's okay, it's okay. It's fine. Just do your thing.
It's getting ubos.
It's fine. It's okay. It's meant to be for that purpose naman. So confirm it's water soluble. Water soluble ba tawag yan? I don't know what type of paint is that. But yeah.
It kinda looks like green brown. Green and brown.
Yeah. Call it olive. A little bit like olive. Colored olives. Olive green.
It kinda looks like colorful. I'm gonna put this bag too. It's getting looks like coffee.
That
You
one.
gotta see this, guys. Is it
Yan,
now
nagulo.
done?
What?
Is it the end?
No, you're still taking a video pa.
Okay, I thought it was the end.
I think we're good. Let's end now. Mag 1 hour 30 minutes na to. So, I'll upload this. Yun naman yung pwede mo i-upload. Okay?
Okay.
Can we end? Okay. So,
Guys.
okay. I think we're pretty much done. Well, I'm done. AJ is also done. AJ, can you show your finished product, please?
Ah! No.
That's AJ. And that's her finished product. Kian's not yet done. I'm done. I think, ayoko na masyado kasi mabababoy siya. So, dahil medyo nasira yung mga, I have to paint the sides. Kasi nalagyan siya ng yellow kanina. But, yan. Green talaga siya. And blue. Mukha siyang Jamaican flag tuloy yung kulay na ngayon. And then this one. Okay. I just don't know what the peg is. But I find this cute. So, yeah. That's pretty much everything. We only have 5 bear bricks. So, I bought this in Shopee for 13 pesos each. So, go buy na. Okay? So, I think we're good na. We're just really documenting the whole activity for today. Which I think is gonna take us around 2 hours or more than until it's finished. So, we're gonna cut it here na lang. Okay? Bye!
To the next my video.
Yeah. Yan will be uploading a version of
You say subscribe to your channel.
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe.
And to this.
Tina. Okay. Thank you,
I gotta
everyone.
work something first.
Bye. Say bye.
And here's
Bye.
my cell phone.
Okay. Bye. Bye. Can you please say bye?
Bye.